We are here at Jimny Fest 2025 here in Galvano, University.
Jimny Fest 2025 is now officially open!
The driving factors why I got the Jimny is para iwas sa baha. Ayun, very beneficial siya.
Yeah, the Jimnys have taken us so many places we've never thought we'd go as a family.
The reason why Jimny is more than just a vehicle, it's way of life.
Jimny takes you to new heights. It gives you a larger community in which you share the same passion ng outdoors and discovering new places.
This event is third and the biggest Jimny gathering in Philippines or even from other countries, which is organized by Jimny Hub and sponsored by Suzuki Philippines and others.
When we started back in 2019, we met not only clients but now they are also our friends. We launched at first Jimny Fest in 2022. We had a 3-day event for that.
We deeply appreciate the passion and dedication of Jimny community. Seeing all attendees here, someone is friends, someone is family, but they are being one community as Jimny fan already.
So every time dumadaan ka, minsan napapalingon talaga sila sa Jimny.
With this one, we're quite confident because it has 4-wheel drive. And then the grip, very stable, very safe.
Pag dala mo Jimny, ang dami nakatingin sa'yo.
Thank you, JIMNYFEST participants, for supporting our event. We're so grateful for Suzuki Philippines to have you here.